Hey Leos, are you feeling the love this week? Have you been feeling the love of the world and the earth, the wind and the rain? I'm Tess, I'm with God Sent Me Tarot. And I'm happy to be here to see what we have in store for Leos on this Easter weekend. Right away, we've got the Seven of Pentacles. Planning on working hard this weekend? Or are you waiting for the crop? Are you waiting for the crop to come? Because you're waiting. You're waiting for some money. Waiting for the harvest. Sometimes we have to wait for that. It doesn't come overnight. You plant a seed, it takes a while. But you just keep watching over it. You watch over it. And you will reap the harvest of what you've sown. It's a very earthy sign, earthy tarot. I've got the Page of Wands. And that's usually like a studious youth. And he's building an enterprise, or starting an enterprise, or he's an apprentice of an enterprise. So perhaps you're going to learn something new, start something new, start a new enterprise. And you're just gathering the information that you need to do it, to get your seeds planted. Sometimes it will take a while, but that's all part of the learning process. That's part of everything that we go through here on Earth. We go through our different harvests, and this one has, as a matter of fact, see the new growth on it? You got the seeds there, and now you got the growth, little bit. So let's see what else we got going on. What else can we tell you about that? Right now, there's a lot of people starting their own businesses, starting new endeavors. Woo! Judgment. Ooh, my. Judgment. Now, sometimes we judge ourselves, and sometimes we're judged by others, and then we judge ourselves. And the thing about it is, try not to do that, because you manipulate your own self by other people's judgment, or what you may think that they're thinking. Perhaps they are, but don't judge yourself. Give yourself a break. Give yourself a break. We all need that. And as I see here, sowing the seeds, planting your seeds for harvest. Here you are, waiting for these leaves to grow on your enterprise, the wands. And pages usually, it seems like so naive, and that's why you need to find out the facts for any kind of enterprise or what your plans are. How about we get the angels to clarify that? Let's see what's going on here. Okay, what about the judgment? What about the sowing of the seeds? The new enterprise? What do we need to know about that? What do the angels want to tell us about that? Because that's exciting, you know. It's very exciting to have that kind of the goals and setting for yourself. And age means nothing, you know. It doesn't mean that it's just for younger people. It could be for older people. It could be, well, you never know. You just never know. All ages. Fun for everybody. And since I'm a Leo, I've been planting a lot. And my flowers and herbs and things like that. Man, planting a garden, vegetables, whatever, it's a learning process. Same with trying to get a new business started, okay? Compromise. Yeah? Okay. Compromise. Sometimes you do have to compromise. If you're starting something new and you're with somebody and they may say, oh, I don't know if we could do that, find a way to compromise with it. Find a way to compromise with anybody who can help you with your endeavor. That is a very nice card because that's a good lesson, compromise. Not everybody does that. No, not everybody's willing to compromise, but I know my fire signs. I know Leo. I'm a Leo, so I definitely know you. And compromise is the way to go. It's going to help in the long run. Get you through the world, get you away from judgment, at least on your part. Because keep that open mind. I am going to pull out, this is from the Angels and Ancestors. Very beautiful, beautiful deck of cards. And let's see, what are your ancient ones trying to guide you to? What should they guide you to? What are you guided to this weekend? This is Easter weekend. Time for starting over. Time for forgiveness. Time for all the things. This one, wow. It says, take note of intuitive messages. The moon. This is the full moon. Although we're not having a full moon at the moment, we did have a beautiful full moon last week, a wolf moon. Take note of intuitive messages. Sometimes our guides try to send us stuff, but you have to open yourself up for that. So try to do that. Try to keep an open mind. Open up. Let it come through. I have to read this because it's in my hands as well. Eagle, see from a higher perspective. Now, the moon, intuitive. And the eagle, from a higher perspective. Raise up that vibration. Raise it up. Raise it above. More than you thought you could. That will help you compromise. That will give you a true perspective of your sowing your seeds, growing your seeds. Don't judge your seeds. After you planted them, you just gotta let go. Let things do what they do. Do. Okay? So, let's see. Take note of intuitive messages, dreams, signs. Open up. Just open up and see. And then use that. Use that for your higher self. We're going to do a rune. It's a special weekend. Right, baby? Right on. All right. Jira. Jira. The rune is Jira. Yeah, a year. Peace, prosperity, fruitful harvest. Okay? They're telling you right now. They're coming through me to tell you. Tell you. What did they want to say? Compromise. Live in peace. and prosperity. It's a coming your way. Don't judge yourself. Don't judge others. All right, Leo, this is Tess. God sent me tarot. God sent me you. And thank you for coming back to see me again. All right, we've got every Saturday I post these, but it's a Good Friday today. I want to say praise Jesus. God bless you. And may everything be well. GoPro, stop recording.